Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to save a code file for your future use. So what I have done is I've added some new codes to this one, and I've modified the original survey template. So to save it and be able to use it in future projects, what I'm going to do is click on my project data field here, and then in the menu, codes. In the top left corner, there's an option for save that I'm going to select, and it's going to prompt me to give my file a name. And I'm going to add the very original name of updatedsurvey.ctf, and I'm going to click on save. And now if I go to create a new project, if I go to my code list, you can see in the dropdown that that updated survey file is there. So any codes I've added in a previous project now appear here and are ready for use in my new project for whatever else I want to do moving forward. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you save and use a new code file inside of MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out, helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.